Welcome to the Andorran birthday vlog. Woo! It's Megs' birthday. And this is our view. How crazy is that? We're on the top of a mountain. We're at about 2,000 feet, right? 2,000 meters, even more. We're really, really high. And there's some ski slopes over there in the background. And the Spanish border is just here. Can't get through today though. It's just a big pile of snow. It's -4 degrees on the top of this mountain, and through there is Spain. Yeah, not going to Spain today by the looks of things though. But we do have some absolutely gorgeous mountain views. We sent the drone up, surprisingly, did absolutely fine. Got some crazy shots of these mountains, and over there, I'm going to turn you guys around. Over there.
This is like ice, definitely don't let it hit you.
Look at that. That's chilly when the snow goes down your back. Oh, that's like, feels like -15, I think.
Yeah, well it says the air temperature is -4, but with wind chill it probably is about -10 or so.
We saw a little Andorra in Abarth. It was really cute.
Oh my god, look at the toe strap.
Oh, check this out.
This is the Abarth toe strap is well, it's frozen on there. Like I can't.
It's not really towing much.
Yeah, it's good. It's frozen nicely.
Got some little icicles under the car. Oh, Fonz, you dirty bugger.
We had the drone out. We've got some potentially cool shots, but because of the cold and the wind, obviously the battery, I'm clapping my hands to keep warm, the battery died relatively quick, so I've got another battery in my pocket, and we're going to get it up again and try and hopefully get a tracking shot of the car driving. Just trying to figure out these wind gusts a little bit, but it should look pretty cool. The view is just, I mean,
unparalleled to anything else I think I've ever
it's
seen in
just
my life.
unbelievable, isn't it? We're like literally up in the tops of the mountains.
Oh yeah. I'm a big fan of Andorra.
So we're up here at the border with Spain, between Andorra and Spain, and the road's closed. We didn't want to let that stop us. So we parked the car up by the snowdrift and carried on walking. And yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. It started to snow quite a lot out here. And you can see, I think we're starting to lose some of the visibility here, but it's beautiful. It's just mountains and snow, obviously.
We climbed up this little mountain drift bit. Came all
like
the
a
way
big
up
hill.
there. Yeah, it's a big hill.
Steep. We had to kick in to get up.
But it's absolutely beautiful.
You can see it's just gorgeous. It's just breathtaking. I'm dead warm now from walking up.
Yeah.
As is, it's like -4. Actually, way colder than that. At this point, it's probably like -7 or 8. But
it doesn't feel it.
When you're moving around, you get so warm. I guess once you stop for a while, though, like earlier when I was flying the drone, I thought I was going to lose my fingers. It was so cold. It's absolutely freezing. You never really get like this much beauty around you with this kind of like stark snowy weather. Yeah, it's cool.
Makes you feel alive. Very, very alive. So we're on top of a mountain and it's getting pretty windy and pretty snowy up here. So the quickest way you get down the mountain is on your butt.
It's not working that well. Oh!
Going down is way better than going up. And here we are, in the snow, in Andorra, in the mountains, on my birthday.
Happy birthday, Megs!
Happy birthday, Megs!
And hello to all you Abarth drivers and followers of Automotive Intrigue. Here's bringing you some mountain joy, and I would definitely suggest a trip to Andorra when you have a little chance. It's pretty awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right.
I think it's now time.
Let's make it back to the car.
Get a glass of champagne, to be honest.
Yeah, let's do it.